What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna make something that you guys are probably going to enjoy. You might have had it in the past, but you've never had it the way I'm gonna make it. It's like, I honestly don't know if that's actually true, but anyway, I'm gonna make a tofu scramble sandwich. You can use eggs if you want to. You don't have to use tofu, but I'm gonna be using tofu today, and it's gonna look like eggs. You're gonna be like, Brian, did you use eggs today? And I'm gonna be like, no man, it just looks like eggs, but it's not really eggs. Then people are gonna be like saying like, why don't you just use eggs? I didn't feel like it today, you know? Sometimes I like to eat tofu, sometimes I like to eat eggs. Depending how I feel, I will decide. So this isn't actually like a real recipe video, because in a recipe video, you'll get the exact measurements of everything that I'm gonna use. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna use. I just use my intuition, you know? All right, anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys what my ingredients are today. I'm gonna be using some tofurkey deli slices. I'm gonna be using some onion. I'm gonna be using some tomato. I'm gonna use some turmeric, and I'm gonna be using some tofu, extra firm tofu, and I'm gonna be using 2 slices of Ezekiel bread and some nutritional yeast. I'm gonna use all that stuff, and it's gonna be epic. I hope so. Also, I'm gonna probably use some Daya cheese. If I have some in the fridge, I really am not sure. I haven't checked. I might have already run out. But if I do have some, I'm gonna use that too. So I say we get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I'm not cleaning this up, bro. I'm telling you right now. Yeah. I'm not cleaning this up.
Does anybody want to volunteer?
You made a huge
mess.
Man.
I got kind of messy here.
It looks like it was made by a 2-year-old monkey on a farm.
I don't know what I was trying to do, but the food tastes really good. I was trying to take a thumbnail, and I was like mixing the sandwiches around, trying to put them in the right position. It didn't come out the way I wanted to.
Hopefully the shots came out well.
Hopefully. I don't know what it's gonna look like until I edit it. You guys obviously just saw it. Anyway, I know this video was short. I've had a really busy week, and I haven't had time to like record or document other stuff. So I figured, why not make something instead of nothing?
Yeah, but does it taste good?
Of course it tastes good, man. Look at this. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just to be clear, none of these companies or all these products that I use sponsored me.
And they never will.
Hey man, we never know. They could.
Yeah, maybe when your channel gets like a million followers.
A million followers?
Yeah, at that point, people want to sponsor you.
That's gonna be a long time from now.
Yeah, it's gonna be
old.
It's gonna be like never, my friend.
Be an old guy, man. Oh, thanks for the positivity, man. Thanks for the encouragement.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys liked about it, what you didn't. Actually, don't let me know any of that stuff. I really don't care. Just let me know what you guys want to see next.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.